Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Blum game. So let's get into the video. So you can download Blum game using Telegram. So open up Telegram. So if you don't have Telegram, you can just simply download it from your App Store or your Play Store. So just open up Telegram. So once you have opened up your Telegram, on Telegram search for Blum. So when you search for Blum, okay, you'll get to see this bot here. So Blum bot, that's the official bot for this Blum. So just click that, and then what you're going to do, hit on start. So it's going to ask you whether you want to start. Hit on start, so that will start. And once you start, so you'll see this screen here where you can launch Blum. So now all you have to do is hit on launch, and then this will take you to Blum where it will launch the Blum. So that's it, the Blum has been launched. So now what you're going to do, you're going to simply hit on create account to create your account, and then you can start using Blum game. So that's pretty much it. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.